Becoming a millionaire. It's a goal that many people aspire to achieve. It's a dream for many, right? The allure of financial success and the freedom it brings is undeniable. But it's not just about the money. It's about creating a life where you have the freedom to do what you love. It's about financial freedom, security, and achieving your dreams. Imagine living without the constant stress of financial worries.
First things first, you need the right mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your financial reality. Think of it like a game plan. Just like athletes prepare for a big game, you need to prepare for financial success. You wouldn't play basketball without practicing, would you? The same principle applies to managing your finances. Same goes for your money. You need a plan. Set clear financial goals. Write them down. Be specific and realistic. How much do you want to save each month? Break it down into manageable steps. What are your big dreams? A house, a trip, early retirement. Visualize these goals and keep them in focus. Having goals gives you something to work towards. It provides direction and motivation.
Remember, becoming a millionaire takes time and effort. There's no overnight magic. It's a journey of persistence and dedication. But with the right mindset and a little hustle, you can achieve anything. Stay focused, stay committed, and keep pushing forward.
Saving money is the foundation of building wealth. It's the first step on your journey to financial freedom. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong base. Without a solid foundation, the entire structure is at risk. Start by tracking your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Where does your money go each month? Identifying your spending patterns is crucial. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook. The key is consistency in tracking. Once you know where your money is going, you can identify areas to cut back. This is where you start making impactful changes. Can you eat out less? Cooking at home can save a significant amount of money. Find a cheaper phone plan? Even small savings on monthly bills can add up. Small changes add up over time. Every little bit you save contributes to your larger goal.
Set up a budget and stick to it. A budget helps you stay on track and avoid unnecessary spending. Treat your savings like a bill that you pay yourself every month. Prioritize it just like any other essential expense. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. This ensures you consistently save without effort. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that align with your goals. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can reach your financial goals. Every decision brings you closer to your seven-figure empire.
Investing your money is like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. But just like any plant, it needs care and attention. Don't be intimidated by investing. Start simple. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that offer diversification.
Learn the basics of investing. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. Understand the risks and rewards before you invest a dime. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic sell when the market fluctuates. Stay the course and watch your money grow over time.
Section 4. Side hustles, the secret sauce to millionaire status. Want to reach millionaire status faster? It's not just about working harder, but also working smarter. Side hustles are your secret weapon. They can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. It's about diversifying your income streams, creating multiple sources of revenue, just like you diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns.
Think about your skills and interests. Can you freelance, offer consulting services, drive for a ride-sharing service, or perhaps deliver food, or sell handmade goods online? The possibilities are endless and only limited by your creativity. Use your free time wisely. Instead of binge-watching TV shows or scrolling through social media, dedicate a few hours each week to your side hustle. Consistency is key.
Remember, side hustles not only boost your income significantly, but also provide valuable experience and skills that can be leveraged in your main career. You never know where they might lead. They could open doors to new opportunities and ventures.
Section 5. Leveraging technology for financial freedom. We live in a digital age, so use it to your advantage. Technology can be a powerful tool for managing your finances and building wealth.
Utilize budgeting apps to track your spending and savings goals. Explore online investment platforms that offer low fees and easy access. Stay informed about financial trends and opportunities through podcasts, blogs, and online communities.
Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Remember, technology is constantly evolving. Embrace new tools and platforms that can help you on your path to millionaire status.
Section 6. The Millionaire Mindset in Action. Becoming a millionaire isn't a pipe dream, it's a very real possibility with the right mindset, discipline, and strategy. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and opportunities that come with financial security. It's about living life on your own terms.
Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The journey may have its ups and downs, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So, what are you waiting for? Your millionaire journey starts today. Go out there and make it happen.